Hello everyone, it's Gigi and welcome to my channel. And what I have for you today is a Destash haul and then two kits. The Destash haul I purchased from Stephanie. Hi Stephanie, and I'm not sure of her YouTube name. I'm gonna have to find that out and then I'll put it in the description box. But she had purchased some CC designs from me and she knows that I love Magnolia Tilda. And so she contacted me because she was selling some, and I told her that I would buy them all. And so she sent them to me and they were wrapped so nice. And then she sent me this beautiful card and it says thanks. And then on the inside she wrote me this sweet note, and girl, you have such beautiful handwriting. It says, Gigi, thank you so much for helping me with my Destash. I am so glad these are going to be loved. Enjoy. Hugs, Stephanie. Thank you so much for that. That was so sweet. And then she sent me some freebies. So she sent me these beautiful flowers from the Paper Studio. And they're large rosette flowers and they have dimension. They are so cute. I love them. And then she sent me a free mini World's Magnolia. And you can see her stamped out right there. She is so cute, writing a little letter to her pen pal, I think. I love her. Thank you so much, Stephanie. So what I did was when I got them, I stamped them out. And the ones that I didn't have, the names to that she sent, I looked them up. There's only one that I can't find the name to. So if any of y'all know it, then I'd be happy if you'd let me know in the description box. I mean, in the comment section. So this first one I got is the Post Strawberry, and it says, you're so sweet. And then this one I got is Congratulations, Tilda. Isn't she cute? And the funny thing is, I didn't get any doubles. So I was so happy. This one's called Hello Little Butterfly. And it shows her looking back on her bow, and there's a little butterfly on it. And this one's called Tilda with Violin. And she has like feathered wings. And this one I got is called Tilda in a Hurry. And you see her suitcase is flown open. And these containers I got from BFF Tina Bean. And I hadn't found a use for them, and now I did. And then I just put the labels on them. And this one's called Tilda with Stuffed Animal. And she is adorable. And I think those are daffodils in her hat, but she is so stinking cute. And I can't tell, guys, is that a lamb or a dog? I was thinking it's a lamb. So I thought that would be perfect for Easter if it is. And then I got Cowboy Tilda, which is perfect since I'm here in Texas. She is cute. And then I got Tilda with Balloon. And then I got Spanish Tilda. Isn't she cute with her fan? And I love her little hair with the rose in it. And the little ruffles on her dress. And then I got Tilda with Laced Flag. She's just marching on. Her little pigtails. And then I got Secret Tilda. So she's hiding a present behind her back. And then I got Sitting Angel Tilda. She's so sweet. And then this one is so cute. She's called Jolly Tilda. Cute for Christmas. And then this is my first Edwin, and it's called Edwin's Package. And then here's the one I do not know the name of. but she is cute. I don't know if that's supposed to be snow or dandelions or stars or what, but I couldn't find it online. So your help would be greatly appreciated. I absolutely love this one. It's called Ribbon Hair Tilda. She has a rose in one hand and a gift in the other, and she has little bows all over her curly hair. And then I got this Tilda on Promenade. And I've never seen a side view of one. I love this one. Her basket and her little wings. And then that was all of them. So I have a good amount of new ones. So thank you so much, Stephanie. I appreciate it so, so much. Okay, guys, then I got the box of the month from the Not Too Shabby shop, who's Jamie's shop. And this is where you find her. And if you use the word Jamie at checkout, you get 10% off, but it's not on the kits. Okay? And then she always sends some kind of goodie. And I got this sucker, and then I got these little sequins. They're cute. So let me start with the stamps. So I got this one that's called Cup of Kit Tea. Isn't that cute? And you guys know how I love my kitties. And I love this. And then you can use this right here as the shadow to ground it. Or you can also use it in the cup right here if you just mask her off. And you can change the color of inside of the cup. And it says, "Hi there, everything tastes better with cat hair in it." That is hilarious. Just peeking in on you. Have a perfect day. And to my favorite introvert. And then you get the flowers, and then you get that. And all of the sentiments fit inside the cup. And then next, this one's called Hope's Garden. Perfect for spring. I love the wheelbarrow with the cacti in it. So cute. And then there's a snail. There's some ladybugs and some bees. Y'all know I love my bees. Plant seeds of hope. Plant smiles. From my garden to yours. And this one says my garden. And then these are some seed packets. And then there is some different plants. And then next there is some sentiments, and they're called Plant Life Sentiments. So it says, "Thanks for helping me grow. Cactus makes perfect. Home is where my plants are. Keep on growing. Cactus makes perfect. Plants are my therapy, and you grow, girl." And then you get some ephemera, and you also get 2 paper pads. So the one paper pad says "Grow Your Garden," and her paper pads are thick paper and they're glossy. And so I'll just show it like this. I'm not going to take them all out. And then she has matching ephemera for that one. And they look like this, and you get a ton in there. And then you get Quiet Morning, and I love this one. It has some little kitties in a cup over here. And then there's just some cups. And then there's some plants. Some nice little pale colors. It's so pretty. And then you get some ephemera to go with that one as well. Really pretty. So that's that kit. And then I got my kit of the month from the Stamps of Life, and it comes like this. And let me show you the kit. And this one is called, oh, that kit was called Home Sweet Home, if I didn't say. And I believe it's still available right now. And then this kit is called Missing You Collection. And you get a little card every month. See, Missing You Collection Card Kit, March 2022. And it gives you some ideas. You always get 12 envelopes. Then you get a paper pad, and you always get 24 sheets. So you get 12, and you get 2 of each. So let me flip through and show you, and they're double-sided. Some daisies and some trellis, some more daisies, some polka dot, and then some solids. Bigger daisies. This one says Missing You. Some more daisies, solid. Oh, look at the umbrellas. Some big umbrellas. You could put some flowers in your umbrella. Some vines. And then there's some baskets. And if you get the die of the month, then that cuts that out. And there's some bigger umbrellas. And then it repeats. And the smaller umbrellas. Isn't that cute? And that paper's also thick. And then you get 2 ribbons this month. You usually get 2. So you get this blue and this cloud gray color with white stripe. And you get a ton of it. And then you get a whole bunch of embellishments. So you get these pretty felt flowers with pearl centers in yellow. And you get these puffy stickers, and they're daisies, all different colors. And then you get these sentiments. It says, so happy to be sharing these special moments with you. Be gentle with yourself. You're doing the best you can for someone special. Thinking of you with sympathy and love. You are so kind. I'm blessed to have you in my life. And thank you for being the sunshine in my day. And you get these mint chip colored little dots. And they're shiny. Then you get this die here that says Missing You So Much. So you could use just the Missing You or the Missing You So Much. And then you get this A1 Elegant Edge card die set. And it looks like this. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies. I don't know if it says that on the front, but you get 6 dies. These 2 drop-ins right here, and then it cuts out the vine, and you can always place in different colors if you wanted to do inlaid. So really cute. And I believe this retails by itself for $26. And then you get 12 pieces of paper every month, cardstock. You always get 4 of her powdered sugar, the white, and then you always get 8 colored cardstock. So let me show you what the palette looks like. You get a yellow, a gray, this mint chip one, this pixie one, I know those colors. I think this is cotton candy. This is cantaloupe. I'm not sure the name of that one. And you get this hot pink one. So you get 8 colored and 4 white. And then you get this really nice plastic binder that you can put all of your stuff in, and that's how I store my kits. Alright guys, I thank y'all for watching. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.